peel off the skin now. If you have a peeler, you can do it very easily. But today I'm going to use my knife. First slice. And it should be around half centimeter thick. Okay, now let's cut this into matchstick. Once you finish cutting, you are halfway done. As you can see here, the chopped radish is very straight and this is very crispy because it has a lot of water inside of it. We Koreans enjoy two textures such as crispiness and chewiness. So this is very crispy, so I'm going to add chewiness here. So how to do it? Just extract the water inside of the radish out. Then if it loses water, so it will lose its crispness, plus it will have a little bit of a chewiness. Pour some salt. This radish is around 700 grams, so I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of salt. Sprinkle around and mix. So I'm going to let them cry. If they cry, they will be a little bit chewier than the original state. So just do it and wait for about 5 minutes. Okay, now can you see the difference before and after? So it a little bit submerged, which means it lost its water. So now let's see what happened. If I squeeze out, here we have a lot of water from the radish. So I'm going to discard the water because I don't need this water. Now it's getting very soft like this. Yes. So it is ready to be seasoned. Kimchi is spicy and sour and sweet and salty and a little bit umami. So this is kind of kimchi, so I'm going to add some kind of kimchi taste. The first thing I need to add is vinegar. For this amount, I'm going to add 3 spoons of vinegar. 1, 2, 3 spoons of vinegar. Then I'm going to add red pepper powder. This is sun-dried and authentic Korean red pepper powder, which is made by my mom from scratch, from the farm. So here I'm going to add 1, 2, 3, and 4 spoons. You may think this is too much, but this is the very normal amount of red pepper powder. Trust me, this is Korean food. To make a balance with saltiness, I'm going to add a little bit of sugar, just 1 spoon, and sprinkle around. Plus, this is a very typical Korean garnish, toasted sesame seed. 1, 2 spoons. Final step is very easy and simple. Just mix with your hands. Mix tenderly so that the sauces are evenly mixed with the radish. Just do it. Scrape the bottom. And some of the water from the radish can make the sauce evenly mixed like this. Okay. At first it was like a stick, but now it's very soft and tender and then it's crispy.